Oh shoot, DeKalb County prison helicopter taking off. See, that's the prison right there. We're on Memorial Drive, famous for locking people up. Is it moving, y'all? Oh, it ain't going nowhere. Man, I gotta clean this van up. Why it ain't moving? That's the Robert Bobby Burgers building. Robert T. Bobby Burgers. I gotta get it right. Robert T. Bobby Burgers building. And it's right next to the home of the slave. Come on, man, it ain't going nowhere.
No.
Well, we're on Memorial Drive. Check out my rear view. Everybody waiting for me to move. I can't move yet. No accidents in the last hour. So, traffic control haven't had y'all get any accidents, but we do got a helicopter in action, bringing a prisoner to work. Bringing a prisoner to court. That's what they do with that. They bring prisoners to court. High class prison. Gangster. Is it moving? Oh! We gotta take off! What the heck is it doing? It looked like it wanted to take off, but it's hooked on a chain. It's stuck on a rope. That's the N900K helicopter for all y'all military guys. Well, it's moving, but we missed the takeoff, guys. Sorry, we didn't get the takeoff. Sorry, we didn't get the takeoff.